Setting up a new apartment and wondering whether to rent or buy a wardrobe? Is a rented wardrobe in decent condition? What if a hinge breaks? Can you choose the size? And what happens when you move? Here's everything you need to know about a wardrobe on rent from Rentomojo in one video. Is renting a wardrobe cheaper than buying? A decent wardrobe costs between 8,000 to 20,000 rupees upfront. And then there's delivery, installation, and the real problem, moving it when you shift. Wardrobes are heavy, awkward, and often get damaged in transit. People either abandon them or sell them at a huge loss. With Rentomojo, you pay monthly, no upfront investment, and when you move, Rentomojo relocates it completely for free. Is a rented wardrobe in good condition? Every wardrobe in Rentomojo is refurbished, sanitized, and quality checked before delivery. Broken hinges, structural issues, anything like that gets repaired or replaced before the piece leaves the warehouse. So you're not getting abandoned furniture from someone else's flat. You're getting something that's been properly inspected and delivered to work as it should. What sizes are available? Rentomojo has 2-door and 3-door wardrobe options available. 2-door for compact rooms, solo setups, or when the space is tight, and 3-door for larger bedrooms or when you need more storage, ideal for couples or flatmate setups. Check the catalog to see what's available in your area. What's the minimum rental tenure? Minimum rental tenure starts from 3 months and plans can go up to 36 months. After that, you can continue renting on a monthly basis if needed. Need to return early? You can pay 1 month's rent as an early closure fee. How much is a security deposit? Yes, there is a security deposit and it's refundable. Once you return the wardrobe in its original condition and it clears the quality check, you get the full amount back within 7 working days. And if you opt for Mojo Secure, you get coverage for accidental damages, minor wear and tear, and unexpected incidents during use. This means your security deposit will be protected even if something goes wrong accidentally. What if a hinge breaks or there's other accidental damages? Minor damage up to 1,000 rupees is covered under Rentomojo's damage waiver. For anything that needs a repair, you raise a ticket on the app. A technician visits within 72 hours at no additional cost. You don't need to call carpenters, you don't source replacement parts, it is all completely handled in your rental subscription. Only intentional damage gets charged at actual repair cost. Is delivery and assembly included? Yes. Rentomojo delivers and assembles the wardrobe at your home. No assembly stress, no tools needed on your end. The team sets it up so you can start using it immediately. What happens when your tenure ends? You can either choose to keep renting it monthly or return it. Rentomojo picks it up, does a quality check, and refunds your deposit within 7 working days if all is in order. No dismantling it yourself, no arranging transport, no reselling online. Can you upgrade to a bigger wardrobe later? Yes. On a 24-month plan, you can upgrade for a different or a higher value piece. If your storage needs to grow or your living situation changes, you're not locked into the same wardrobe forever. What happens if you move to another apartment or city? Rentomojo relocates your wardrobe for free within the city or across 29 serviceable cities. Your subscription continues with the same plan and a new address. And if you're shifting your home, Rentomojo also offers Mojo Mover, a packers and movers service at affordable and competitive rates. So, to summarize, wardrobe rentals are available at affordable monthly rates. No upfront spend. Every piece is refurbished, sanitized, and quality checked. 2 sizes are available. It comes with 2-door and 3-door options. Minimum rental tenure is 3 months and plans go up to 36 months. Deposit is fully refundable. Minor damage up to 1,000 rupees is waived. Delivery and assembly are included. Upgrades are available on the 24-month plan, free relocation across 29 cities, no upfront cost, no moving headache, set it up, move it for free. Check out Rentomojo to get a wardrobe delivered and assembled at your new home without the upfront spend. Browse the catalog at rentomojo.com.